It is typical for a company that is successful and growing to ironically end up with a back-office mess eventually. The story goes like this. Companies that have naturally grown in complexity, uniqueness and volume has got more people getting involved creating and using the data. This goes for company leaders, IT administrators, accountants, marketing and sales. The teams require access to more data related to the financial data, because finance is a dimension of every business decision. Change happens iteratively, so companies add additional small changes to accommodate growth. They add another app, open up another spreadsheet. Let's call this group of applications and data sources the app pool, simplify things a bit. Meanwhile, all these independent apps require the same data to function, such as customer information, contact information, transaction history, and much more. Here you can start to see the problem emerging and framed as an IT integration problem. Companies then have to hire expensive integration firms, buy expensive middleware to sync the software applications, and hire highly skilled expensive IT staff to make it all work. This fragile solution is not scalable and is unreliable and untimely, as it breaks often, and it is in a constant state of repair. Congratulations, you have arrived at the land of accounting dysfunction. This leads to company leaders being frustrated because of budget overruns, increasing overhead, stressed out IT administrators, and an ill-equipped accountant who relies on timely and accurate data to do his job. Organizations who enter this cycle often stay in a repeated loop, and say the problem is too big to solve, while they are repeating this cycle, thinking they just need better apps, better integrations, more successful and skilled staff. The expectations of dysfunction start to set in and the IT administrator gets used to the stress and brokenness. The CEO gets used to the large budget SS. The accountant gets used to unreliable and untimely data and has to double-check everything. In 2008, a company figured out a better way. What if instead of a bunch of independent apps that don't talk to each other, or share the same data, you can have a bunch of apps that can be layered upon each other and share the exact same data source? In addition, you would have a powerful toolset to completely configure the user interface and automate any process that you need to from back to front, across the data layers with clicks and no code. This solution is Accounting Seed, and it has actually been here for over 10 years, with more than 50,000 users worldwide. Accounting Seed is an alternate strategy to having a massive app pool. Accounting Seed is a platform built to consolidate all your back-office data sources into one unified source. It provides what we call a single data model. A single data model that is designed as a home for all of your data. Just like a clean and tidy house or a workshop, everything is nicely labeled and has a pre-designated place, so you know exactly where to find it every time you need it. It is the same concept applied to your corporate IT data. Furthermore, Accounting Seed is powered by Salesforce.com, so if you are running your sales, service or operations on Salesforce, these apps are just additional layers in the same core data model. Now you have a single source of truth for your entire business. Once your data is organized, and all in one place, you can automate any process you like, since it is all in one platform using the same toolset and neatly organized. The story ends happily with the company and its people leaving the land of accounting dysfunction. Company leaders will have the lowest cost of ownership, accurate and timely financial reporting, while the IT administrator can optimize, automate and add value with the IT processes and solutions, rather than just serve as a repair technician. The accountant has the accurate and timely data at their fingertips to analyze and prepare for the senior leadership. Connect with our experts on Xentury1.com to get a tailored demo.